Hey guys, I'm SoundKiller. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make vintage analog sounding super saws in Serum. So let's get started. So before we actually start with the sound design, I like to go here into the global tab. I like to have the range set to 1, and the width, which is the stereo width, to 50%. This gives it a more analog feel. Now we can go here. We can start working with the sound itself. So I like to add around 5 and 3 voices just to be 8 because back in analog gear times we didn't have 16 voices per channel. We had like a very less so. As well as a random now, I like to have it at 50% just to give it a more analog feel. And I just like turn down the sustain here and the decay, add a release. And use the same envelope here and then the filter cutoff just to give it a more nicer feel to this. And we can also add like a click just by adding some bright white here with an envelope. Just doing this, a little click. Then we can just add some delay. Ping pong delays. I think it sounds better. And I also like to compress the sound just a bit, just to make it a bit louder at the end, like less dynamic. And of course I like to add the delay. You can make like these very analog sounding super saws, which are cool for doing barely alive style or audio weapon style intros, which are very analog-ish. And that's the way you can do it in like Serum, which is very easy. I hope you guys learned something new here. I hope you guys will use this technique, and I hope you guys find it interesting, do more things like that. So yeah, hope you guys follow me. Remember to press the subscribe button, and until next time.